Hey y'all, I'm gonna show you guys how I refresh my curls and keep my curls hydrated throughout the week, sometimes longer than a week, using the hydrating sealing butter called Seal It Up from Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils. Yeah, so at first I just use a little edge control and get my edges under control because my roots get really frizzy over time when I put them in buns and my pineapples and all that jazz. So yeah, I took my hair out of this bun. I got a little dryness on my scalp and some of my curls that were clumped together are now becoming frizzy. Sometimes I do it at this point of my wash and go. This is like day 5, and sometimes I have to do it at like my 10-day-old wash and goes because it'd be looking horrendous. But this day is not that bad. I just want to touch it up now before it gets out of hand and I have to do my whole thing. So this is the Seal It Up black seed recipe butter, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on the inside. And it literally feels like butter. When you rub it into your fingers, it's like really thick, really easy. Like you could like physically see how thick it is, and then you mix it into your hand and it's like it just melts, which is wild. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys these curls that have gotten a little frizzy. I'm going to spray it with some water, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this butter and just not even comb anything through, just add the butter to the parts that are the most frizziest, and it just clumps everything right back to its uniform place. Sometimes I don't go all the way to the root because I like the volume. Sometimes I just do it to my ends so that it gets nice and defined. And yeah, I just put it right back out the way. So I do this all over my head. I take all the pieces that I think are frizzy, and sometimes I don't even mess with the back of my head because I'm not worried about that, because people see the front first and for pictures and all that stuff. So yeah. Another way I like to do this, either before bed or in the morning, is I like to take an oil and just run that through my whole head, either my scalp and my ends or just my ends, depending on how my hair is feeling. And then I'll use this butter and seal it up. I've been sealing up my hair with this Seal It Up hydrating sealing butter for about like 2 weeks now, and I really think I found a holy grail, because I never thought I would be able to use this on top of gel that I've already put into my hair, because it doesn't coagulate, it doesn't do anything, it doesn't add extra buildup, and it smells bomb. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.